Which foldable is better in 2025? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the Oppo Find N5? Samsung continues to refine its large-screen multitasking beast, while Oppo aims for a sleeker, more compact foldable experience. But which one truly delivers the best foldable phone experience? Let's break down the release dates, prices, colors, key features, and a head-to-head comparison. Both phones are expected to launch in Q3 2025, with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 priced around $1,899, while the Oppo Find N5 starts at approximately $1,599, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to enter the foldable space. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 refines its foldable design with a lighter, slimmer, and more durable aluminum frame. The 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X inner display boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, S Pen support, and flex mode, making it perfect for multitasking and note-taking. The 6.3-inch outer screen is now wider, offering a more natural smartphone experience when folded. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the Z Fold 6 delivers improved AI-driven features, better app optimizations, and longer battery life. The 50-megapixel AI-enhanced camera system ensures excellent low-light photography, while the 4,500 mAh battery with 65-watt wired and 25-watt wireless charging keeps you powered throughout the day. If you need a foldable for work, media consumption, and top-tier multitasking, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the perfect choice. Oppo takes a different approach, focusing on a more compact, user-friendly design with the Find N5. The 7.1-inch LTPO AMOLED inner display offers sharp visuals, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a less noticeable crease, making it one of the smoothest foldables to use. The 5.9-inch outer display is wider and more pocket-friendly, perfect for one-handed use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the Find N5 delivers excellent performance, AI-powered optimizations, and smooth multitasking. The 50-megapixel Sony IMX camera system is designed for exceptional low-light photography, while the 4,800 mAh battery with 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. If you prefer a smaller, more compact foldable with a premium feel and longer battery life, the Find N5 is an excellent alternative. If you want a larger display, S Pen support, and the best foldable multitasking experience, go for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But if you prefer a more compact, lightweight foldable with a better battery and faster charging, the Oppo Find N5 might be the better fit. Which one would you choose, Samsung's big screen productivity beast or Oppo's compact powerhouse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check the description for links to both phones.